Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Rater. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Rater and become a patron today. Thank you.
Oh, hey. It's Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I'm wearing a face covering. And I'm already sick of wearing my face covering. So that's better. Yeah, I got this thing off of Wish. It looked cool on the picture. That's kind of the way Wish works, but yeah, I thought it'd be kind of cool. It'd be all, what's his name? The Guy Fawkes dude from Anonymous. But you know, I can't hack my way out of a paper bag, so. But what I can do is I can cook noodles, and I can show you what to do with your instant noodles on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. And today I've got one, the last in this series from ABC. Selera Pedas spicy cheese, and on the side it says spicy mayo cheese flavor. So we're gonna cook these up. Sounds like a plan to me. I'm in the mood. The mood for cheese. Drop that in there. And we're gonna cook it for 3 minutes. As per usual. So yeah, what's shaking? Not a lot here. Did a lot of walking yesterday. Whew. They're opening everything up here in the States, but they need to open up the bathrooms. I tell ya, it's hard. It's really hard. I mean, I left here at like 4:30 this morning, and I walked and walked and walked and walked and walked and walked. I got home, and oh man, the last 20 minutes of my walk were grueling because it was like, it was way down that way, and it's like, oh yeah, I think I gotta go. And I'm like, on the trail that I walk on, it's you know, it's like very woodsy, lots of trees. But there's lots of people commuting to and from work, getting exercise. So you got joggers, you got bikers, you got walkers. And so I'm down there walking. I'm like, oh, that area looks good. Maybe I could, you know, go behind there. I was that close twice. And it's just like, ugh. There's people. I'm not doing it. No way. But yeah, so I don't know. I might have been more up for doing that when I was younger, but nowadays it's just like, I don't know. The fear, it's caught a hold of me, I guess. But I would have been able to stay out walking for an extra half an hour. That's 3,000 steps. That's a ways. So, yeah. I'd like them to open the McDonald's bathroom, and I'd like them to open the one at Log Boom Park, and that would make me very, very happy. There have been days when I've gone out walking, like on a Saturday when my wife doesn't have to work. As you like on days like today, it's Thursday, I got to be home before she gets up. You know, I got to get stuff ready for the kids because that's the main part of my day, and yeah, I've got a time limit. On the weekends, I really don't. So I'll leave the same really early. But it's like sometimes if I really have to go, I'll come back home, use the bathroom, turn around, and go back out. But I guess I could have done that today, but it was raining too. So, but yeah, that's my troubles. No big deal. Anyways, 3, 2, 1, and time to drain these noodles. Here, I'll do a trick. Ah, see what I did there? You see that? No, you didn't miss much. Alright, so we got our noodles. Now we gotta add our fun. So there's this, I believe, is like mayo cheese. This feels like it's either pancit or fried onion, and then there's a powder base, and then this is the spicy component. And again on this one, like the spicy beef, it says add a little bit for a little spicy, add a little bit more for more spicy, and add all of it for super spicy. So we're gonna, you know which route I'm taking. I'm going to spicy land, folks. Super spicy, yeah. I'm gonna make it super spicy, baby. Wow. Don't mind me. I don't know. I'm really, really stoked that it's Thursday. I'm ready for it to be the weekend. It's so neat. I gotta tell you, I've been yammering about all this walking stuff and how much I enjoy it and all the weight I've lost and stuff, but I'll tell you right now, it's so much. Uh-oh. Maybe that is how you do it. I don't know, but I just dumped in a sachet that I think was cheese powder. I don't know. Now I'm confused. If you look here, it's very light. I didn't know that was what. Yeah, so. But yeah, what I was saying, now that it's not just me doing the walking, but me and my wife, it's rad. I don't know. I think, I don't know, just like the whole fact that we can walk together now and we both like doing it, it's like a new stage in our marriage. I dig that. Yeah, I'm like, I wake up every day extra happy. Not that I wasn't happy before, but I mean, now it's just like that, you know? Sounds cheesy. Perhaps it is. But I'm happy, so. I want to try it like this. I don't know what I've got coming up. So I want to try this. I feel like this is probably going to be cheesy, but I could be totally wrong. Cheers. Wow. You guys aren't kidding about the super spicy. I would say this is definitely one of the spicier Indonesian instant noodles I've had. And that's saying something, because when you think Indonesia, at least when I think of Indonesia and I think spicy, I think off the chart. I've had some spicy elements of Indonesian food that it's just like chili patty. That's all you gotta say, right? I mean, those little bird's eye chilies will blow your head off. But I've never really had. Oh, there was one variety by another company that did one that had like a little chili patty in it, but it was just like one, you know. Once you eat that, that's it. So I've had a lot of Indonesian instant noodles. I want to have as many as I can because I think Indonesian food is among the best in the universe. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, there's the mayo element. Let's give this a try. So the noodles have a spicy element, and then there's a mayo that can go on top of it, which is quite good. All right, let's bring it all together. All right. So we've got our noodle with our cheese element and spice element. Which I am very, very pleased with. I'm really impressed here. Okay, so there's that. And then I'm hoping this is fried onion. If not, this is gonna look really weird. I couldn't imagine what else it would be. It's good. You know, I'm gonna go this route. Yeah, let's take this one. Go back and forth like that. Tastes like Kewpie. That's decent mayo. And we got this stuff. Okay. And then with all my happiness just bubbling over lately, I just couldn't go without, oh boy. You landed in a good spot. I wish you would have been over a little bit more, but I can live with that. Add a little bit of this coriander. Come on, suck on, get where I want you. No, you're not playing by the rules today. Okay, one there, one there. Let's just use all of it. What the heck? Why not? Oh, come on. little bit of this too. I think. I don't know what else to do to it. I did just realize something that's bumming me out, but I will be doing a mukbang, I think, of this one too. They sent me 3 packs of each, the spicy beef and the spicy cheese. How can you not do a mukbang of spicy cheese? I mean, really. But in the mukbang, I'll do a little something, because they sent me a nice shirt. And they said, well, could you do a special cooking video with this? And this is their sweet soy sauce. Look how thick that stuff is. Yeah. But what you do is you do chicken with it, and it's really good. I did it the other day, and then I ran out of, I can't remember what the deal was, but I ended up just eating the chicken breast that I made. So I got to do it again. But yeah. This is good. This is really good. So let's do a little bit of Rotato magic. It's 12:41 in the PM here in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington. It's gonna be a sunny day with a lot of clouds, a lot of cheese, a lot of spice. All right, here you go. Well, thank you very much for watching. I also want to send a big thank you to Nee over at Fusion Gourmet. They're the distributor for ABC in the United States. She was gracious enough to send me that really nice shirt, some nice sauces, and some absolutely wonderful instant noodles. So thank you very much. And yeah, there'll be some mukbang coming up soon. It may be it came out this morning where you're at. I don't know. But YouTube and on the website at www.theramenraider.com. And hopefully very soon you're going to be able to buy this stuff on shop.theramenraider.com. Your one-stop shop for everything that you could ever possibly want and need in life. So, yeah, let me go over that way a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. All right. Well, I hope you enjoy your noodles each and every single day. You know, have a good one. Bye.